taking just in case. And I was like, we're going all the way down to Chad's turnoff.
Oh, wow, look, they're off.
And he's like, hey, he's like, if you need me, call
Oh, shit.
me.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're just going to keep going.
Yep. Okay.
Good Lord. This is where the fun begins. Here, I want you to record that. Make sure you get it. That's probably what they did. They tried turning and they kept going straight. You gotta take it super slow.
Should we see if they're okay?
I'm sure they're good. I can't stop or I may not even make it up this.
Okay.
No, this is probably a bad idea.
Hope you guys are good.
Uh-oh, we're getting ready to slide off that way too. Gotta take your time. We barely made that hill. Oh, man.
Okay.
So you're gonna make me drive a record. That's why it's very important. Like, you gotta start slowing down way before you stop. You know, like I didn't slow down far enough. You just feel everything just sliding. Hopefully we can even make it, honestly. It's because we're wanting to slide.
Just go slow.
I know. This is the hard part, these dang hills. Don't hit the brakes. Very important. Yeah, we should have took that freaking dirt road. We might end up turning before Chad's.
Doles.
Turn at Doles, take that dirt road, because that dirt road's flat. I mean, there is still some little ins and outs, but I'm more afraid of right there, you know, like sliding to that stop sign where the cemetery is, where you can turn and go to the landfill.
Yeah.
Because we can slide off into that, and then you got to go across the road and try to make that little curve and curve back. We're just gonna try to make it up here and turn. At least we're not too far from Chad, though, I guess.
Yeah, no.
Buddy will come help too if we need to.
Well, Kevin said if we need him, call him.
Go.
He'll come get us.
Now I feel like I can go crazy.
He said just make sure I keep him updated where my location is. Because he got home last night before the ice hit.
That's what I said. I left just in time because it was slick on me coming in at 12:30 last night. But you can just feel like like you just move the steering wheel, it just wants to slide. All it does is look like a wet road. 31. I'm gonna start melting soon though. That's all frozen. Yeah, there's no way I would have made it 4 miles. Even if I would have made it over that hill, I would have been screwed. Especially trying to make it up the next hill. There's the stop sign. Alright, what do you think? Go straight or turn?
Well, like you said, if we go to Chad's, that's gravel right there. but you gotta stop and then you gotta divot back over across.
Yeah, and you gotta.
And there's a water leak out there because I was out there yesterday, and that road and where we drove the 4-wheelers
Yeah.
was already a solid sheet of ice because there's a water leak out there. So I wouldn't take that. So you're gonna have to take this one.
Yeah, it's a dirt road. I mean, yeah, it's frozen solid, but hopefully they're not stopped out here.
But I mean, our next option is going up to Chad's, going all the way down and cutting across, and that road was already slick yesterday with
I know,
ice.
but how far is that semi? Is it in the hills?
I don't know.
Oh, shit. I was waiting too long. Oh, God.
At least here you got Charlie, and you got Dennis down there, and you got Chad.
Yep. Alright, let's see if we can get this. It's just patience.
A
Goes-
dog.
I have no idea.
That's a sketchy looking dog.
Nope, we're spinning. Alright, at least this is kind of some track. I mean, the gravel is little tracks. It's crazy how solid the gravel is. Shit.
I got it. Stop. There's another lighter. That's what you
Alright.
drop.
Oh, big bump. Yeah, there's the gravel. Hopefully this will be a little bit better. Yeah, it feels like you're just like bouncing and sliding. Well, hopefully we're past the wreck then.
Where did this bring you out on 4 Mile?
Right there, you know, after you get through the hills, and there's that right that little spot where people meet at all the time. Brings you out right there.
Yeah, the hill was sketchy too.
It's not really a hill, it's just a little incline. That's why I was saying we should have went down this way. No, never mind. I didn't realize. Good thing I didn't do that. That's a little bit bigger of a hill. You have to slide down.
Almost I take you out at.
That takes you away. I think it's Ashley's grandma's house.
Okay, yeah, we're Tess or
Yeah.
Tish and Chase.
Back there in that, behind all the houses on Grove.
Yeah.
Green
We're
Groves.
good to grandma's.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd much rather drive on this gravel. Oh, god dang it. Yeah, you're gonna have to share the road. God dang it. What are we doing? Ew. Oh man, look at this. Oh, yep. Wait, that's ice. Can you feel it? Like every bump, I can feel this wanting to like slide, go sideways. I forgot about it being this old road. I did too. I forgot about it. It's only this short section here.